chill. Met a couple things out south of Brazil. Then I took a flight out to Indonesia. Thinking name was Stephanie, no way that was Tina. Christina out in LA, Steph out in Jersey. I know you heard me, girl, don't be worried, I'll be there in the jiffy. If you need the quickie, if you need the picture, you can at me quickly. These girls all lie like Pinocchio. Got a couple wild things in Tokyo. Then I had to go way out to Alaska just to go and catch ya.
I've been around the world, I've seen 1,000 girls, but I'm ready for you.
I'm ready for you, ready for you.
I'm ready for you.
Ready for you.
Sometimes I had to swerve, I got what I deserve, but I'm ready for you.
I'm ready for you, ready for you.
Yeah, ready for you.
Ready now, ready now, ready. Let's just dance, have some laughs. Met a pretty thing in the south of France. Had to ask her if I could hold her hand, but had to catch a jet out to New Zealand. Then on a new day, it was in the UK. Got a bunch of flowers, hit her with the bouquet. Went out to Monaco, she acting bougie. Damn, can't we chill, just watch a movie? Man, these girls all lie like Pinocchio. Got a couple cowgirls out in Oklahoma. She wanna know when I'm back, when I'm gonna call her. I said, the airport's out of order.
I've been around the world, I've seen 1,000 girls, but I'm ready for you.
Ready for you, ready for you.